Searching for Another Earth, a simple journey into the cosmic unknown. Every night when we look up, we see the stars twinkling in the dark sky, and we wonder if there is another planet like our own. The idea is very exciting. Imagine if the universe, filled with thousands of stars, has a world similar to Earth where life can shine just like it does here. What if, out there in the vast space, there is a safe place with clean water, clear skies, and green lands? The thought makes our hearts beat faster and our minds race with new ideas. Long ago, our ancestors stared at the sparkling night sky and told stories about the stars. They believed that these lights were magical and full of promise. They thought the stars were homes to gods or hidden places filled with secrets. Today, our understanding has grown through science, and we now use giant telescopes and powerful satellites to explore the skies. These modern tools help us see planets orbiting far away from us. Many scientists believe that among the thousands of stars, there could be a planet that feels just like home, warm, wet, and full of life. Let us imagine a busy research lab filled with bright screens and modern gadgets. Here, scientists work hard to study the light coming from far-off planets. They watch the glow of distant suns and use special instruments to read the clues in that light. These clues, like a small bit of water vapor or a hint of oxygen, tell them whether there might be a chance for life on those planets. Every new piece of data makes them wonder, could this be a place that feels like home? What if a planet with clean air and flowing water is just waiting to be discovered? The work in these research centers is both challenging and full of hope. Scientists spend many long hours gathering data and sharing their findings in simple and clear words. They use computers to analyze the light from faraway stars and send their information back to Earth. With every small discovery, the excitement grows. The idea of finding another Earth is like finding a treasure. It makes us feel that maybe our home is not the only special place in the universe. We all dream of a future where we might explore a new world and learn more about life. The search for another Earth is not just about numbers and data, it touches our hearts. We feel hope when we think about another safe haven somewhere in the sky, a place where nature can live without the struggles that we face on our own planet. Many people worrying about problems like pollution, deforestation, and climate change. The idea that there might be a new place where life can begin anew fills our hearts with hope. It creates a bridge between our love for our planet and our dream of finding a new, fresh start somewhere far away in the universe. Scientists have now discovered more than 4,000 planets outside our solar system. Some of these worlds orbit stars that are similar to our Sun, and some are in what is called the Goldilocks zone, where the temperature is just right, not too hot and not too cold for life to exist. It is like having the perfect place for a baby bird to learn to fly. This discovery makes us wonder even more. How many of these planets could be like our own Earth? Could there be a new home waiting for us among the stars? Imagine sitting in a quiet room filled with soft light from computer screens as a scientist carefully studies a new piece of data. Outside, the night is calm and full of stars. Inside, there is a buzz of anticipation because every new signal might be a sign of a planet that could support life. The calm is soon replaced by a rush of excitement as a clear signal appears on the screen. What if? The scientist thinks aloud. What if this faint glow is coming from a place where water flows freely and plants grow abounding? The room fills with a sense of wonder as the scientist writes down notes and shares the discovery with colleagues. The idea of finding another Earth is like a story that unfolds slowly, full of gentle surprises and hopeful questions. It is a story where science and wonder meet. Every new discovery, no matter how small, adds a new chapter to this exciting tale. A simple reading of the data can make scientists say, "What if this is the breakthrough we have been waiting for?" It is a story that teaches us to look up at the stars and think about life in a new way. Instead of feeling small in a big universe, we feel part of a wonderful plan where many possibilities can bloom. Some people may think that searching for another Earth is hard or even impossible, but every great journey has obstacles. The scientists, with their steady hearts and strong minds, meet one challenge after the other. Each time they face a difficulty, they also find a way to overcome it. Their hard work shows us that the journey is as important as the dream of finding something new. Even when the path seems dark and full of mystery, every step taken in the search is a sign of courage and purpose. It reminds us that every good story has ups and downs, and every discovery is worth the effort. For a long time, we have felt the loss of many natural wonders back on Earth. We have seen our beautiful forests replaced by concrete, our clear rivers muddied by pollution, and our skies covered with smoke from machines. This loss makes us long for a place where nature still sings strongly. The idea of a new Earth gives us hope that life can be reborn somewhere new. It is like a promise of fresh beginnings, a chance to learn from our past and build a better future among the stars. Many dream of a world where every sunrise brings hope and every night is a time for wonder. What if this future was not just a fantasy, but a reality waiting to be discovered? Modern space missions are helping us look even deeper into the skies. New technological marvels, such as space telescopes that can capture the smallest details of distant planets, lead the way in this search. These powerful tools bring back pictures and signals that tell us more about these faraway objects. When a light signal shows the possible presence of water, it becomes a strong hint that the planet might host life. Every reading from these instruments makes scientists work faster, hoping to uncover the secrets of that twinkling light. It is a race against time and mystery, with every moment filled with intense excitement and hope. These missions are not just projects for the experts in labs. Every person on Earth can join in the wonder. News of new discoveries spreads quickly, and soon families, students, and dreamers everywhere talk about the possibility of a new world. In classrooms and living rooms, people discuss what another Earth might look like. The simple words that describe sparkling oceans, green meadows, and clear blue skies become a beacon of hope. They make us believe that even if our home faces problems, the universe is full of lessons and gifts waiting to be unwrapped. What if another Earth awaits us is a question that invites everyone to share in the adventure. Even though the search for another Earth is about science, it is also a story of our shared human dreams. The dream to explore, to find new homes, and to understand our place in the vast cosmos unites people of all ages and backgrounds. It is a call to be brave, to take a closer look, and to never stop asking questions. Every time we tune into the news or read a science article about a new distant planet, we feel a mix of wonder and hope. These simple words remind us that our journey is not just about learning new facts, but about growing as a people who treasure life in every form. Much like a child who dreams of far-off adventures, scientists and curious minds step into the future with smiles and sparkling eyes. They know that the journey might be long and uncertain, but every step taken is worth it. In time, their hard work could change the way we see the stars forever. With every glimpse of a planet that might have warm air, clear water, and gentle landscapes, our hearts feel lighter and our hopes higher. The possibility that another Earth may exist gives us strength to continue our search in the midst of everyday challenges. It is a sign that our dreams are as wide as the universe itself. The search for another Earth teaches us to appreciate every little bit of beauty in our own world too. It reminds us that the blue seas, green forests, and bright skies we see every day are precious gifts. As we learn more about the planets in far-off galaxies, we also take time to cherish our home. We understand that while the universe holds endless wonder, it is our Earth that has nurtured all our dreams so far. It is the foundation from which we launch our journey into the unknown. The love for our planet grows as we peer into the cosmos, and with that love, we carry hope for both our own home and a future discovery far beyond. Every discovery in space adds a small puzzle piece to the greater picture of our existence. With each new detail gathered from faraway stars, we learn that the universe is full of surprises waiting at every corner. The information collected by telescopes tells us not only what a planet might look like, but also how various forces of nature come together to create a living world. It is a puzzle that fascinates both scientists and dreamers. Each piece, no matter how tiny, is filled with the promise of discovery, a promise that one day, among the twinkling lights, we might find a place that feels truly like home. As technology improves, we will continue to learn more about these distant planets. Each improvement in science gives us a clearer picture of what might exist beyond our night sky. New telescopes and tools make it easier to see faint glows from far-off stars and to detect the gentle hint of life-supporting elements on planets orbiting them. With better tools, the hints become signs and the signs become stories. Every time a new planet is discovered in the Goldilocks zone, the excitement grows among people who look up and dream. They imagine golden fields, cool streams, and skies that hold the same wonder as our own. The dream of finding another Earth shines like a warm light on a cold night. It touches not only those who work in laboratories, but also every person who ever looked up at the stars, wondering about the stories they hold. The journey is long and the questions are many, yet the hope remains simple and true. Every new discovery in space reminds us that the universe is full of unexpected gifts. It tells us that life, in its many forms, is a beautiful and brave experiment. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the cosmic unknown. Your curiosity and warmth make our adventure even more exciting. We are very grateful that you took the time to listen to this story about the search for another Earth. Please subscribe to join us in exploring more beautiful ideas and new discoveries about our universe. We hope you stay with us on this adventure, as every new star and every distant planet brings another chance to dream and to wonder, because the promise of another Earth warms our hearts and lights up our skies.